Mercedes-Benz automobiles have always come with unmistakable design elements that make it immediately recognizable. You know a Mercedes-Benz when you see one, as it approaches you on the road, from its silhouette as it passes by, and as it moves away. This can also be said about Mercedes-Benz trim levels. Take for example, the Avantgarde. The Mercedes-Benz E180 Avantgarde can easily be distinguished by the louvered grille with the prominent three-pointed badge placed front and center. In Avantgarde guise, the E180 looks sporty and should appeal to a younger demographic of luxury vehicle buyers, while still retaining the subtle elegance and classic vibe beloved in older generation Benzes. Other notable exterior features include LED high-performance headlamps, heated exterior mirrors that are electrically adjustable, and with spherically curved mirror, and with integrated signal indicators, aero widescreen wipers with rain sensor. Adding to the sporty vibe of the E180 Avantgarde are the 18-inch 5 dual-spoke alloy wheels. The E180 Avantgarde is powered by 1,595cc inline 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine that generates 156 horsepower at 5,300 revolutions per minute and 250 Nm of torque from 1,200 to 4,000 RPM. The engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission that drives the rear wheels. One can select gears via gear shift knob or the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. There's also the dynamic select for choosing transmission modes including comfort and sport. The Avantgarde is also said to have a suspension system that is tweaked to provide better handling at speed. The E180 Avantgarde, made available locally now, features keyless Go Start function and comes with black Artico leather for seat upholstery and trim. The multi-function 3-spoke steering wheel sports black Napa leather. The 180e Avantgarde also comes with cruise control with Speedtronic variable speed limiter, direct steer system with speed-sensitive power assistance with variable steering ratio. The instrument cluster is all digital. Infotainment comes from an Audio 20 USB multimedia system with online capability and high-resolution media display with a smartphone integration package, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard features include central door locking with interior switch and crash sensor, power windows with one-touch control and obstruction sensor, thermatic automatic climate control with 2 climate zones, separate temperature adjustment for driver and front passenger. The E180 Avantgarde is equipped with standard and advanced passive and active safety features. Aside from the multiple airbags and 3-point seat belts, there's also attention assist to detect driver drowsiness, electric parking brake with automatic release when moving off. Standard safety features include ABS, acceleration skid control, active brake assist, consisting of proximity and collision warning, on-demand braking assistance, plus autonomous braking function for vehicles ahead and crossing pedestrians, adaptive brake with hold function and hill assist, electronic stability program. The E180 Avantgarde also comes with parking assist with reversing camera,